Introduce highlight features or overview summary for WTRAVEL Riding Lawn Mower Lift Jack, weight capacity 882 pounds, telescopic lift jack. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: robust and durable. The lawn mower jack is made of high-quality steel construction, very durable and stable, with a load capacity of 882 pounds, suitable for most garden tractors and lawn mowers. Adjustable height and tilt design. The height of the riding lawn mower lifter can be adjusted to accommodate different gardening equipment vehicles, and the tilt angle can reach up to 45 degrees. Making it easy for you to access the mower's floor and facilitate maintenance. Foldable design. Our lawnmower jack lift features a folding design that is very space efficient and easy for you to carry and store in your backyard tool shed or garage. Cost savings. As long as you have this lift, you can maintain your own lawnmower or garden tractor without any cleaning and maintenance company. You can operate it yourself to repair, replace parts, remove debris and more. Easy to assemble. The installation of the jack lift is very simple and will only take you a few minutes to assemble. WTRAVEL's lifts are made of high-quality steel construction, super durable and stable, with a maximum load capacity of 882 pounds. If you have this jack lift, you will no longer need any cleaning and maintenance company. You can easily maintain your lawn mower or garden tractor by yourself. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.